Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Nambardar TV, the platform that echoes the true voice of Lambardars from around the globe. Are you actively involved in your local community as a Lambardar? Or maybe you are curious about the roles and responsibilities these pivotal figures uphold? Stick with us as we dive into the rich traditions and modern implications of being a Lambardar. From mediating disputes to overseeing land records, we bring you stories, updates, and insights on how Lambardars are shaping communities. Join our network, share your experiences, and let's empower each other as we preserve the legacy of Lambardar leadership. Remember, together we are stronger, so hit that follow button, and let's embark on this journey of leadership and service. Khuda Hafiz.